Hi, and welcome to evalink Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to invite your team members to join your evalink talos account so that you can start managing alarms more efficiently together. Under Company, select Users. Click on the plus icon next to the person icon on the left. Now click on Invite Member. Enter the user email address and hit Submit to send an invitation mail. If you check the box Company Admin, you choose to give your invitee all admin privileges and unrestricted access. Otherwise, the user will have basic permissions. You can later change user role from the section Company under Users to Operator Minimal, Operator, Manager, and Company Admin. Alternatively, you can add users from the dashboard and send them invite in a click. And that's it. You can now invite team members to join your evalink talos account. Happy co-working! Head to evalink.io/getstarted and make sure to watch more video tutorials we have crafted for you that show you how evalink talos works. For continuing to configure your account, we recommend you watch next How to Add Sites and Site Groups.